EWS Sanput 2025, Honorary Chief Minister of Bihar. Honorary Chief Minister means Halder will not get salary from the Bihar government of the salary of Chief Minister, which undynamic Chief Minister Nitish Sir has been trying for last many years, doing nothing and getting Bihar government salary, full salary, apart from big palace in Patna, bodyguards, domestic helps, free travel to Delhi by air. So all the most undynamic Chief Minister of Bihar from Nalanda is Nitish Sir. The most dynamic Chief Minister, Lalu Sir, Yadav, and I salute my Patna college teacher, great sociologist, Sardar Devendra Singh. He was in Patna college. Later on, when Lalu ji became the Chief Minister of Bihar, Sardar Devendra Singh became very powerful man of Bihar in academia. And Sardar Devendra Singh was by my neighbor, so very close to me. We are close. He was knowing but never talked. Even in sociology department, he was knowing me that I am Halder, Bumyar. And that time sociology he was also Bumyar. He was just a lecture going on. And that Bumyar professor asked me to do something, I refused to do that.
तेज बोलिए.
I refused to do that. So seeing my nature, it came to know without saying that this boy will do nothing, totally a squad, as I am, EWS, Sanput, and I am Bumyar. And if I would have contested, Mathadis are very powerful. Mathadis like Yogyanath is a Mathadis of Gorakhpur and Dani Queen. And Swami Hayanand was also Mathadis, but Vice Chancellor of Bihar City, Patna, Chowdhury. Now he is no more. And now Vice Chancellor of that is Swami Dayanand ji, also Mathadis of Badi Math, Nalanda, Choti Math, Nalanda. I had asked him that I want to contest. They told me, go and contest. If I would have contested in general election from Patna against Kais Ravi Shankar Prasad sir, my daughter is very much fond of him. Soumya is very much fond of Ravi Shankar Prasad. Ravi Shankar Prasad would have been a great support. As Dr. C.P. Thakur had defeated General S.K. Sinha in Patna. So Patna combination, even Misha Bharati won the vote of Bumyar, vote of Chatra. Bumyar would have voted her, she would have lost against Ramchandra Yadav. So Bumyar voted for Misha Bharati. So I am EWS Kishanpur. And I am with my Anup is not a EWS.
अरे अपना नाम लीजिए ना, दूसरा का नाम क्या लेते हैं?
Anup is anchor.
Anup is anchor.
Okay, my assistant. And all I am EWS, I am Kishanpur. Anup is or anyone, they are government servants, sir. They are not EWS. All they are so, and even quota wise, Chief Minister should be gone to a EWS. So, and as Manmohan Singh was Prime Minister of India, but he was also honorary Prime Minister because he was not getting salary from the government of India for his job. As Deputy Vice Chancellor, Yogesh Tyagi sir, Professor Yogesh Tyagi was Vice Chancellor but not getting salary from the government of. So, I am proposing that Halder, Heroes Halder, who had the blessing of Mathadis, of Nalanda, Badi Math, Choti Math, Vice Chancellor of Bihar City, Swami Dayanand, who had given me, because what is the game of how to get money from rich and get from the how to get money from rich and vote to the poor. I am myself a poor man. Haldar is a poor PWS Kisanpur. So Haldar is independent honorary chief minister with the support of all the independent like Papu Jadavji of Purnia, because I am also from Purnia, and I hope that 2025 will be keenly contested between Lalten and Lotus. Let us see who will, but independent Haldar will be a honorary chief minister of Bihar in 2005, and Anuj Yadav will be deputy CM of Gaya from Bihar. This is a message.
ओके। बार बार मैं बोलता हूँ कि मीडिया में सर नहीं नाम लिया, जी बोला जाता है। रविशंकर प्रसाद जी, लालू प्रसाद जी, सर ये सब का नाम नहीं लिया जाता।
सर नहीं नाम नहीं
नहीं, आपको कई बार बोल रहा हूँ। ये इधर ही बैठिए ना, इधर ही बैठिए, उधर कोई बैठ गया।